Here we go, top of the list, removing brackets. When we evaluate an expression, i.e., or that is, work out the number, the stuff inside the brackets is done first. This will simplify an equation and make it easier to operate on or work out. Look at this example. Y equals 3 times x plus y plus z. We can change this to y equals 3x plus 3y plus 3z, unless you're in America and that's 3z. Now it is easier to add or subtract terms from both sides of the equation. We come to that later. Terms are separated by a plus or a minus. Step 2. Solve the powers. Here is our list again. Now we have a simple puzzle. X squared equals 169. What is the value of x? We work this out by finding the square root of both sides. Now the equation becomes the square root of x squared equals the square root of 169. The two operations, squaring a number and finding the square root of a number, are the inverses of each other. In other words, one goes one way and the other comes back to where you started. This means the square root of x squared is simply x. So now our equation becomes x equals the square root of 169, and then it will evaluate to 13. But be careful, it may be minus 13. Number 3 on the list, multiplying and dividing. There it is, and I've highlighted it for you. I am so kind to you, it's unbelievable. This is easier than the previous two because you can choose which operation you do first. That will make life easier. We could multiply the top and then divide by the bottom, so we will get 136 times 42 equals 5,712. Then we divide by 21 and get 272. This example shows you how it is written down in mathematical form. With practice, we will spot the easy way and divide 42 by 21 first to get 2, and then multiply 136 by 2 to get 272. When evaluating the previous 3 steps, each step provided a single number, separated by pluses and minuses. These were the terms. Here's our old friend again. All we have left to do is to add and subtract these numbers. Again, we can do this in any order that makes it easy for ourselves. Here is a very simple example. 272 minus 25 plus 20 plus 5. If we do the red bit first, we get a 0. So the answer is 272. That's just 272 minus 0. The problem here is to spot what to do first to make things easier for the next operation. This comes with practice